If you're a practicing dentist, then you must watch this video. Because no matter how many years you're into private dental practice, there are some mistakes which majority of the dentists make, and they really do not allow their practice to go beyond a level. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 common mistakes every practicing dentist make in their practice and career. Hi, this is Dr. Sujit Pardeshi, bestseller author, international speaker, and your practice growth expert. The 5 common mistakes which every dentist make are these. Number 1, they do not focus on marketing proactively. Yes, think about it. If you start a practice, you have the best of dental setup, the best of equipment, very good interior and a very good facility where you provide all the dental treatments under one roof. But the problem is, people in your locality, people in your area do not know about it. What's the use? Remember, knowledge or skill without opportunity is zero. No matter how good clinic setup you have, no matter how good clinician you are, but unless people around you know that you exist, they will not come to you. They will not understand that there is a good dentist in their nearby area. And the only way you can make it happen is through marketing. I have seen so many dentists doing very good clinic, very good interior, very good treatment facilities and equipments. The problem is they don't allot any budget to let people know around them how good clinic is there, or there is a new dental facility which is very good and which has started in the nearby area. Their budget, their finances normally get exhausted in doing the interior and buying the dental equipment. Remember, marketing is a very important element of your dental practice. It is only when you do effective marketing, people in your area will come to know about your facility. So don't make this mistake. Number 2, they do not focus more or enough on patient consultation. Remember, dentistry is an elective science. It is not a compulsive field like any other medical field. If a patient is suffering from any other medical problem, whether simple malaria or typhoid or maybe even a heart attack, the person do not postpone the treatment. They go to their doctor immediately and get the treatment done. So every medical field is a compulsive science. Whereas when it comes to dental practice, patients always can postpone the treatment. Whether they just go only for pain relief, they can do any temporary thing, they can just get a small medication and get the pain relieved. They can choose and postpone the dental treatment at any later date. So patient consultation is extremely important thing, because unless you are really good at patient consultation, patient will not understand the importance of getting the treatment done. And this can happen only when you make yourself very good in communication and presentation skills. So as a practicing dentist, you must focus on patient consultation. And this is a mistake which majority of the dentists make. The third mistake is majority of the dentists focus too much on price. And in fact, many of the young dental practitioners think that reducing the treatment charges is the best option to grow the practice. Let me tell you something. If price would have been the only criteria, the cheapest things would have been the highest sold things in the world. The cheapest car, the cheapest mobile phone, the cheapest electronic gadgets would have been the highest sold things in the world. Does it happen that way? And the answer is no. Simply because it is never about the price alone. Especially when it comes to your health, a good patient, a sensible person will always choose a better dentist than a cheap dentist. So do not focus too much on the price, focus how more you can add value. The massive value addition and the focus on value addition can really help you to grow your practice and not the price focus. As a dentist, you're professional, and it's not a price-centric profession. Professionals always charge for their skills and for their expertise. It's not a volume business you're in, and therefore, remember, price is not the thing where your focus should be. Value addition is the solution. Add massive value to the patients, and your practice will soar for sure. The fourth mistake, they do not focus on their real strengths, or what we call it as USP, the unique selling proposition. As a practicing dentist, I'm sure there is at least one treatment which you are really good at, and there is one which you are not so good at. Everyone has their strengths and weaknesses. Your job is to focus on your USP. If you have very good surgical skills, focus more on surgical treatments. If you can handle kids very well, focus more on pediatric practice. And it is not necessary that you should be a postgraduate in that field. If you do very good root canals, focus on that. If you have artistic skills, focus on cosmetic dentistry. If you work as per your strength, your practice will grow very fast. Because all of us have strengths and weaknesses. Enhancing the strengths is the secret of growing that practice. And the fifth important mistake is they fail to delegate. Yes, majority of the dental practitioners fail to develop a system in their practice where even if they are not there in the clinic, their practice should keep on functioning, and not just functioning, but even growing in their absence. And because they do everything on their own, because as a professional they think that nobody else can do it better than me, they do not allow themselves to trust on their colleagues, their juniors and their associates to get that dental treatment done. And what happens is, they focus too much on their own skills, they believe too much on their own skills, and therefore they fail to develop the system where their practice can function without them. And therefore, when they go on vacation, their practices also go on vacation. Their revenue goes down or revenue becomes literally zero. It is so very important that as you build your practice, you should develop a system where things are working equally well even in your absence. You need to manage your team in such a way that your team is functioning with equal efficiency in your absence. So these are the 5 mistakes which commonly every dentist make, irrespective of the number of years into practice. So remember the 5 mistakes: not focusing on marketing, not focusing on patient consultation, not focusing on your USP or your strength, focusing too much on price, and not creating or developing the system in the practice. I just want to know from you. Put it in the comment box. What did you learn from this video? What is your take? And if you have any dentist or colleague or any friend who make these mistakes, share this video with them so that they also will correct the mistakes very fast. And also tell me in the comment box on what topic you want me to make the next video. Subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, because I'm here to grow your practice and you should not miss any of my video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.